It only has 46,604 miles, and its accessories include intermittent windshield wipers, a power sunroof and alloy wheels. For your enjoyment and convenience, this vehicle comes with an AM/FM stereo with a Sing-LE compact disc player and a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. This Magnum SXT has comfortable dark slate gray seats, and for the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has also been equipped with a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors and an electronic traction control system. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.